cycles. The fuselage is heavily damaged. Corrosion has eaten through the panels. This airframe hasn't flown in years.
This isn't just surface damage.
Echo 6, we've located the target. Repeat, target located. Send aerial support now.
See this section right here?
Yeah, I see it. We should set up camp near that elevation marker.
Echo 99er, this is extraction team lead.
We have visual on the wreckage.
Preparing for stabilization.
We're down by the LZ. The bird is compromised. I need extraction now. Do you copy?
Base camp, this is N547RC. We are loaded and preparing for departure. Visibility is low.
Is that panel secure now?
Almost.
Ready on the winch. And push. Hold it, hold it. Almost there. All right, push on 3. 1, 2, 3. It's not moving, we need more leverage. All right, slowly lift it up. Keep the tension steady. Pull left, pull left. Hold the tension on the winch. Watch the wind, it's swaying. Watch the tension on that cable. Lift it slowly on the winch. Steady, steady. Hold the line steady, it's pulling hard. I'm tightening the tension now. Watch out, the wind's picking up again. Hold it! Give it more power. Hook the winch line to the anchor point now. It's sinking deeper. We need more tension on the main line. Okay, pull it. Hold the tension, hold the tension. We're slipping on the left side. Keep coming straight. We're clear on this side, keep going. Wind's picking up, secure that line. Check the forward jack, make sure it's stable. Is that block secure?
Almost. Tightening the strap now.
Fuselage looks stable from here.
Check the mounts on the starboard side.
Looks secure, but the hydraulics need a full flush.
Look at the difference now. Wow, that's really coming clean. We should focus the effort here next. All right, move it over. Let's get the other side.
pressure reading is stabilizing here.
Confirmed. Voltage levels match the specs now. Finishing the scribing on section 3.
Measurement confirmed.
Rollers check out. Looks good.
Look at this spike here on the telemetry data.
I see it. Adjusting the probe now to compensate.
This stress fracture here looks worse than the diagram indicated.
Yep.
We should check the tolerance specs on page 34. Look at the fluctuation here compared to the baseline data we pulled earlier. It's significant. Agreed. We should run the pressure test again.
This coupling shows excessive wear and it needs to be replaced before we sign off on the inspection.
I agree completely. We can't let this slide.
I'll prep the replacement parts.
That shine is incredible. You almost done with this section now?
Yeah, just finishing up the edge here.
Looks perfect. Watch the rust on this frame.
Use the pliers for the cable tie.
All right, I'll secure the panel first. How does that look from your angle?
Still a little hazy right here. Try this compound, it works better on the tougher spots.
That panel is secure. Copy that. Marking it down.